Hey, what's up, my YouTubers? Hey, I'm finally getting around to doing some things. I'm doing some requests, and I'm also wanna do some tutorials that some people asked me to show them some chords. So today I'm gonna do DeBarge, Love Me in a Special Way," one of my favorite songs, and I'm gonna try to do it under 10 minutes. So let's get started. The first chord is gonna be this chord right here, which is a B, G, A, D, and a G. You're gonna move down to C, C, B, E, and an A. So your next chord is going to be, it's a D. It's a D, D, A, D, F sharp. Then you're gonna go to C natural, which is in the third inversion. Back to D. Okay. Yeah, you want it to sound good too. You can also substitute this first D with a D7 by moving this D into a C. Actually, which I can't remember which one is probably actually right, but that's definitely the progression. To this is a G sus4, which is G, G, C, a D, and a G. And then all you're gonna do is move your thumb down from C to a B to make it a G in the second inversion. And you remember that your left hand stays on G. Now all it is that's a C, C, G, B, and a E, which is a C7, to this B flat that's in its third inversion, F, B flat, D, C7, but it's in its second inversion, which is E, G, B flat, and C. So this is like a B sus over F, F, F. I said B, but I mean B flat. B flat, C, and a F. Down to all you're gonna do is move your thumb down to this A from this B flat, and that's gonna be a F in the second inversion. And it's gonna be an E flat over B flat, B flat, G, B flat, and an E to B flat, which is in the third inversion, which is F, B flat, and D. Dominant passing chord. That's an E, B, E, G sharp, D. And now for the verse. Once you learn the verse, you pretty much got the song. Okay? So we're gonna do this real quick. It's going to be A minor 7, which is A, E, G, and C. Boom. So yeah, if you got an 88 key, and you would do it. You can put an A down here. I don't know why I keep forgetting not to move this up for the tutorial. So because it's actually played on a piano, which you got more keys, but this is a 61 key keyboard. Okay, so that's to that powerful D7 chord, D, C, D, F sharp, C, back to the A minor 7. And you're gonna move do that, all you're gonna do is move this D to this F sharp. Ooh, that sounds so pretty. It don't sound pretty, it just sound good. Y'all, I'm tripping. To G7. I just love all these dominant chords. I just love it. It's just something about it. It's a pull to it. It's a soulfulness to it that's missing in music today. If you go back and listen to a lot of Al Green and some of the other guys, man, Tony, I really think that's what attracted a lot of people to Tony with just these powerful dominant chords. But that's another subject. I want to finish this song up because I got a couple more things I got to do. And my voice is already starting to go because I'm not used to this. So let's see, G7, G, D, F, B, and a D. This is F sus over C, 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 F, G, C. Back to that B sus with the F in the bass, F, F, B flat, C, F, back to F. We already talked about that, so back to that passing chord, that E jump, E7 I think. E, B, E, G, D. Same thing. We already talked about this. Then all you gotta do now is go back to the chorus. You guys remember? That is the song. Easy, but hard. Yeah, but listen to the song. The intro is the chorus, but it's got a little bit more fancier stuff going on with it. It's got some, it's played very freely by a professional, which is not me. I wish I could do some of that fancy stuff in the beginning, but it's close enough. And trust me, if you play it, everybody loves this song. If you play this song, they're going to go nuts. So I just want to say thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hit it. That makes this video get seen more. That makes my channel get seen more. The more I get seen on YouTube, the more subscribers I get. The more subscribers I get, the more chance I got to make this channel a lot better. And I really want to make it a lot better. So please, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. And I look like I did it. Look like I did the whole song in 8 minutes and some change. So I appreciate y'all and God bless you.